Hey quiz adventurers! Welcome to Nemo Quiz. Today's exciting challenge is, how much do you know about animals? Get ready to explore the wild world of creatures, big and small, and see just how sharp your animal knowledge really is. You'll face 60 action-packed animal questions, and you'll have only 10 seconds to answer. Our last quiz was full of incredible players, but now it's your turn to step into the spotlight. Share your answers in the comments, test your wildlife wisdom, and count how many points you can score. Make sure to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and stay ready for more fun, fast-paced animal challenges. All right, let's jump straight into the first question. Which animal makes a louder sound, the howler monkey or the blue whale? Blue whale. Great choice. That sound travels unbelievably far. Who is naturally better at climbing trees? Monkey. Nicely done. Climbing is their natural talent. Which insect lives a shorter life, a fly or a mosquito? Fly! Quick answer, you're thinking fast. Would you rather get surrounded by buzzing bees or hit subscribe to Quiz Nemo and stay safe? Let's see your answer in the comments. Which animal can stand and run shortly after being born? Horse. Awesome, they're up and running in no time. Which animal can change its skin pattern, not only its color? Cuttlefish. Excellent pick. True masters of disguise. Which animal can hear sounds humans can't? Bat. Sharp hearing and a sharp mind too. Between a dog and a horse, which one sweats through its paws? Dog. Correct. You're keeping the streak alive. Which animal can blink both eyes at the same time? Camel. Well spotted. Perfect for sandy environments. Remember the position of all emojis? In the memory challenge, where was the horse placed? Number 3. Fantastic memory, that was tricky. Which animal can sleep for months without eating? Snake. Calm and correct, just like them. Which animal has no teeth at all? Bird. Nice one. Beaks replace teeth completely. Which survives low oxygen better, a yak or a sheep? Yak. Spot on. Built for high-altitude life. Which animal can rotate its ears 180 degrees? Cat. Good catch. Those ears are super flexible. Which animal can regrow its tail? Gecko. Right again. Nature's regeneration expert. Which animal is making this sound? Tiger. Powerful guess, and totally right. Who has the louder roar, a lion or a tiger? Lion. Strong answer. That roar carries for miles. Which animal has ears larger than its head? Elephant. Exactly. Those ears do more than hear. Who has square teeth, a horse or a beaver? Beaver. Great eye. Those teeth are perfectly shaped. Which animal is stronger, a lion or a tiger? Tiger. Well done. Muscle power takes the win. Which animal is the best jumper? Kangaroo. Nice choice. Jumping is their superpower. Which animal can survive the longest without food? Scorpion. Bold answer and absolutely right. Would you rather spend a whole week with a scorpion and no food, or hit the like button on this video for unlimited food? Which animal communicates by dancing? B. Sweet pick. Teamwork in motion. Which animal has the hardest shell? Turtle. Solid answer. Literally built like armor. Which animal lives fully underground? Mole. Correct. Underground living perfected. Which animal has the widest wingspan? Albatross. Excellent. Wings made for long journeys. Which animal can fly almost silently? Owl. Perfect silent flight unlocked. Which animal lives in both fresh and salt water? Salmon. Great job, master of two worlds. Which animal does this emoji represent? Elephant. Nailed it. Emoji decoded. Which has longer ears compared to body size? Rabbit! Nice thinking. Those ears are impressive. Who can smell underwater better? Shark. Sharp senses, sharp answer. Which animal is the fastest on land? Cheetah. Fast response, just like the animal. Which animal lives longer, a parrot or a turtle? Turtle! Well done, longevity champion. Which animal hears footsteps from far away? Ostrich. Good call. Those senses are strong. Which animal has the hardest beak? Woodpecker. Strong beak, strong choice. Which animal smells food from kilometers away? Shark. Excellent. Smell game is unmatched. Can you find the odd emoji? You found it! Awesome focus and attention. Which animal sleeps standing on one leg? Flamingo. Balanced answer, nicely done. Which animal has the longest neck? Giraffe. Tall fact perfectly answered. Which can run silently, a leopard or a cheetah? Leopard. Smooth choice, silent and smart. Which animal tries to chew almost anything? Goat! Correct. Curiosity never stops them. Which animal survives extreme underwater pressure? Sperm whale. Deep sea legend confirmed. Which animal plays dead to escape danger? Opossum. Clever survival strategy spotted. Which animal can drink salt water safely? Seagull. Nice one. Adapted to salty life. What do seagulls usually eat? Almost anything. Great answer. They eat it all. Which animal has the best balance on narrow paths? Goat! Excellent. Balance masters indeed. Which animal sleeps while floating? Sea otter. Relaxed and right on point. Which has whiskers on its legs too? Tiger. Extra whiskers, extra awareness. Which animal can roll into a perfect ball? Armadillo. Perfect defense move recognized. Which animal escapes by running in zigzags? Rabbit. Quick and clever escape artist. Who has a beak but no teeth? Duck. Clean answer. Well done. Which animal eats bamboo all day? Panda. Bamboo nonstop. You got it. Can you spot the bamboo in the picture? Yes! Sharp eyes. Great observation. Which animal migrates the longest distance? Monarch butterfly. Incredible journey spotted. Which can live without a head for days? Cockroach. Tough survivor, correct pick. Which animal has 360-degree vision? Chameleon. Eyes everywhere, great answer. Which animal changes color to blend in? Chameleon. Camouflage king confirmed. Which animal stores fat in its tail? Lizard. Smart energy storage choice. Which animal is the most dangerous? Leave a comment, join the crew, and shine! Thanks for being part of today's exciting challenge. If you had fun, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.